come on here really quick to give you a quick tip, guys. So, I'm going to be having a family gathering this weekend, and we're going to be doing lots of grilling. I have quite a few people coming, and we're going to be doing some grilling. So, what I like to do is I like to pre-season my chicken, and then either the night before parboil the chicken. Now, and I'm doing this on low heat. This is a pretty big pot, guys. But the reason why I like to do this is because A, it saves time. B, you don't have, it takes out the guesswork of, oh my God, is my chicken done in the middle? Because you don't want somebody to bite into the chicken. It's all bloody in the middle. And not only that, but it just ensures you won't be stressed out. You put it on the grill, get it, heat it up. Put your barbecue on, and you don't have to worry about the chicken burning and the inside is still raw. I think it's a good idea to do this. And not only that, but you don't have to worry about you don't have to put raw chicken on your grill. You don't have to worry about putting raw chicken on the grill, even though the heat's going to come on. But still in all, this just cuts time, stress. It takes out a lot of the guesswork. Is my chicken already cooked? Is it not cooked? I have about 20 people coming, so my chicken, I had pre-seasoned it last week, put it in the freezer. So I'm taking it out now to parboil it. And after it cools, I'll put it back in the fridge. And when it's time to barbecue, I take it out, get my grill nice and ready, put these bad boys on, and it just saves time. People don't have to wait to eat, and people don't have to wait for their chicken and stuff. So this is a good tip. Parboil your chicken, pre-boil it, season your chicken, pre-boil it. Basically, I didn't put no water in here, so allow the water. I got this on a medium-low heat. So all the water that's coming out is going to be from the chicken itself. So basically what you're doing right now is sweating the chicken. Okay, if your chicken's already seasoned and so forth, you could just take it, put it on a medium-low heat, depending on how much chicken you got. And what's going to happen is that you're sweating the chicken and you're sweating out all the juices out of the chicken, so you don't have to add any excess water. Okay. What's also good about pre-seasoning and pre-seasoning your chicken, I've been seeing people, where they boil it in water and then they season it. You don't have to do that, not knocking anybody else's groove, but you could pre-season, marinate it, okay? Pre-season your chicken, okay? And if you want to add a little tad of water, you can. Put it on like a medium to a low heat. And what's going to happen is that your chicken's going to start sweating. It's going to create its own juices. And you could do this with anything else. Like if you have, for all your other meats and so forth, like I'm also going to be doing this with my ribs, my pork ribs. I'm also going to parboil them because that will save lots and lots of time. People, you put it on the grill and, let it heat up, get its little charring and serve it. So this is something good. So when you parboil and pre-season, what's going to happen is that the flavors are going to definitely get deep into the chicken and really flavor your chicken, intensify the flavors. So it's going to be well seasoned when you parboil it, okay? So this, my loves, is what I'm talking about. Sweating your chicken. It's a great way to intensify the flavors in your meats. All the seasonings that you added is going to penetrate into the meat, and this is all from the chicken itself. All these juices, no extra water was added, so this is great. You don't have to throw away this broth. You could wait till it's cool and store it and use it for a base for chicken, for soups, or if you want to make rice with it. But guys, also I need you to subscribe to my channel, leave your thoughts in your comments, and share my page with everybody. Okay, I just wanted to come on here and share this beautiful tip with you guys. on how to parboil, and I need you to do 3 things: eat, love, and pray. Bye.